Hello everyone, my name is Anita Sen, your science teacher from Shri Rama Bharti Public School. Today I will explain few topics from sound. So let's start. Oscillation. Now what is oscillation? Oscillation is a regular movement of an object between one position and another. It means the motion of a body where the body repeats its motion in regular intervals of time. Means oscillation is a regular movement in regular intervals of time. That is oscillation. Three characteristics of oscillation are frequency, amplitude, time period. First of all, we will discuss frequency. What is frequency? The number of oscillations or vibrations made by a vibrating body in 1 second. I am repeating, the number of oscillations or vibrations made by one vibrating body in 1 second is known as frequency. And frequency is the measure of pitch. Higher the frequency, shriller the pitch. The SI unit of frequency is hertz, and it is always written with capital H and small z. If a body makes 100 oscillations, what does it mean? If a body makes 100 oscillations in 1 second, so its frequency is 100 hertz. So its frequency is 100 hertz. Now amplitude. The maximum displacement of a vibrating body. The maximum displacement of a vibrating body from its mean position is known as amplitude. What is an amplitude? The maximum displacement of a vibrating body from its mean position is known as amplitude, like O and A. This is Bob, this is Bob. So O and A will be the mean position and the O will be the point of suspension. So that is amplitude. Now the maximum displacement or the extent of the vibration. Now it is the greatest distance that a sound wave moves up and down. Amplitude is the measure of loudness, means the larger will be the amplitude, the more loud will be the sound. So what does it mean? The larger the amplitude, more is the loudness, means amplitude is the measure of loudness. Then comes time period. What is time period? The time taken by a vibrating body to complete one vibration is called the time period of the vibration. The time taken by a vibrating body to complete one vibration is known as time period of vibration. Now comes the characteristics of sound. All sounds that we hear, we all know they are not same. We can distinguish easily the different type of sounds, we can distinguish easily. So on the basis of their characteristics, sound can the loudness and the pitch. Loudness and the pitch are the characteristics of the sound through which we can hear the different types of sounds. Loudness. What is loudness? It is the characteristic of sound which distinguish a feeble sound from a loud sound. One of the same frequency means the frequency is same, but we can distinguish the loudness as well as the feeble sound. Loudness of a sound depends on the amplitude of the vibration and it is measured in decibel. It is measured in decibel. So vibration or oscillation of a larger amplitude will produce a loud sound. Then comes the pitch. The frequency of vibration determines the shrillness or pitch of a sound. The more is the frequency, the shriller is the sound. The more is the frequency, the shriller is the sound. So that's why the frequency measure the pitch. For example, like high-pitched sounds are screaming of a child or buzzing of mosquitoes. And the low pitch of the sounds, the roaring of a lion or the beating of a drum. So that is all about for today. Have a nice day. Goodbye, everyone.